I'm going to play the loud noise sound at 1,000,000 volume. But first I'm gonna get the radio. I got the radio. Yes, but I will lock the door so my parents won't come in my room and ground me. Okay. Now let's go to sleep. Now I will turn on the radio and I will play the very extreme loud noise sound in the whole world. Dad and girl Chupo. Are you okay?
God, every asshole dare you played the super duper very extreme loud noise in the whole world. Now you made a lot of people made all of their ears bleed thanks to you. You are grounded for 18,282,282,828,282,828,282,828,282 years. Go to sleep now. You're fucking retarded as hell. Now we will watch the news.